I need you to look at the lower band here of all of the market numbers that we're showing right now. The market is, if not at session lows, very close to session lows. And that is frightening a lot of people who are looking at our news and saying, wait a minute, what's happening to my money? Well, Hillary Clinton is no doubt asking what's happening to her campaign. It has taken a hit. Following that news on Friday we brought you about the bombshell FBI reopened email investigation, the Trump camp is certainly looking at better numbers in states like Florida. Brand new data shows he's climbing a bit higher to the top. Charlie Gasparino on this market reaction. I have mentioned gold, which is up 18 bucks. The peso, which tends to be a proxy as well, is falling in its weight and value. You tell me, Charlie. This is Trump fear, Hillary fear. You tell me.
I'm just going to lay out the facts, and we'll discuss what I think in a minute, because this is very interesting. And we've been tracking various markets since the minute that James Comey announced that he's reopening the Hillary email investigation. As you know, the minute that happened, the stocks tanked right then and there. So here's what we have. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, since the minute that thing was announced on Friday, is down over 1.3%. That's pretty interesting. We should point out that that includes today's 160-point decline. The VIX index, that's the index of market volatility, when people are getting scared and trading in and out of stocks. Guess what that's up? 34% as of now. That's a pretty big jump. Gold, since that time, well, that's up 7%. That's a fear index. That means people are putting money into gold. When the VIX is up, that's a fear index, too. That means people are getting scared. So both of those things show that the markets are getting scared since the likelihood of Donald Trump being elected has gone up dramatically. And here's the interesting thing. The peso has fell about 2.6% against the dollar. As you know, Donald Trump has basically threatened a trade war with Mexico, repealing NAFTA and forcing Mexico to somehow, I don't know how he's going to do this, build the wall between the two countries to prevent illegal immigration. I will say this, there's lots of reasons why markets go down. But I am telling you, I know for a fact, more than anecdotally, that money managers right now are basically looking to protect themselves and trade through a greater likelihood of a Donald Trump becoming president. And, you know, people are scared. They like the stability in the markets. They like the stability of a Hillary Clinton. They don't like some of the stuff Donald Trump has said about trade and the fact is a lot of money managers think Donald Trump is downright crazy. But I will say this. Look at his economic policies, and this is where I think if you're looking to roll the dice and play the markets, you could buy on the dip here. Donald Trump is going to, if you listen to him, he's going to reduce regulations, particularly Dodd-Frank. He's going to take an aim at that. And by the way, Dodd-Frank hurts bank stocks. Bank stocks would likely go up. Donald Trump is going to reduce taxes on corporations and businesses and individuals. And, you know, net, if there's a Republican Congress, he's not going to repeal NAFTA. So this could be, I'm just giving you the other side of the coin, and the side that I personally, this is my opinion, abide by. This could be a buying opportunity, but the markets clearly between now and whenever are scared about a Donald Trump presidency.
Yeah, I noticed he talked specifically about economic prosperity, but then also looped in possibly undecided members who could be part of his base, saying he plans to revitalize the inner cities and the poorest communities. So melding that high end with the lower end, we shall see. Charlie, thank you very much.